Let's talk about new construction in Prince William County. My name is Claudia Nelson. I'm a local Prince William County real estate agent. I also happen to live in Prince William County. For all things Prince William County, Northern Virginia, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Now let's get started. Here you kind of see a map of all the new construction, mostly all the new construction in Prince William County as of December 2023. We are going to start at the bottom at Potomac Shores in Dumfries. That is right on the right hand side all the way towards the end of the screen. Potomac Shores in Dumfries. Beautiful community, and I'm going to share with you what's for sale there. Let me move this around a little bit. So you have pretty much everything currently for sale in Potomac Shores. You have single family homes for sale. You have villas, that is 2 homes next to each other for sale. Then you also, these are the villas. Then you also have townhouses as well as condominiums. And just check out, if you're looking for something with a water view, that is currently available in Potomac Shores. Just check it out. Really, really nice. They also have townhouses with a rooftop terrace, and you're gonna see this right here. Beautiful. Potomac Shores is a community that is nestled around the Jack Nicholson Golf Course. It offers lots of amenities. It also will be having a VRE station that's going to be coming hopefully very, very soon. And it is nestled right there at the Potomac River. Now let's kind of look into some of these homes. Let's start with this one. Let's see. Let's look at some of these pictures and let me know if this would be something you would like. This is single family home, entrance, beautiful. Of course, these are the model homes. There's always really nicely decorated, but you can build your home that fits your lifestyle, fits your need, and most important also fits your budget. So this is Potomac Shores. I love these homes. They also have a 4th level with a rooftop walkout. Let me see if we see that here in these pictures. Yep, you saw it right there. You see right here the rooftop in the single family homes. This is the basement. And obviously, again, it has lots of options that you can select. If you want to see right here, again, there are several builders there right now, and you have lots of options. Now, let's look at some more new homes. What is currently available, what's currently out there in not just Potomac Shores, but really in all of Prince William County. So let's modify this search a little bit and take out Potomac Shores, and then let's look at everything that is currently for sale, new construction in Prince William County. We are starting in Knoxville right here, continue to Bristow. I believe this might be, let's see, That might be 55 and older. They are just starting out right now, and this is right here, the crest at Linton Hall. These are 55 and older communities, so you have to be at least 55, or at least one person in the household has to be 54 and some change in order to purchase in there. Again, these are just going up, just starting to build there. If you want to look at some of the pictures, main level living, of course, and you can customize, you can choose from several different floor plans. So let's go back to the previous page and see what else we are going to see here. This is just two homes pretty much in Dale City. Then here we see, this is again Potomac Shores. We just looked at that in depth. Here we have something in Gainesville. Let's check what we have in Gainesville. Robinson Manor we have in Gainesville. And this happens to be a 55 and older community as well. There are many builders right now that are actually building 55 and older because there's such a demand for affordable living for older folks and convenient main level living without these stairs. Not many pictures just yet. Yeah, just the floor plan. So let's go back and see what other homes. Barron Heights. Barron Heights is in Dumfries as well. When you make a from 234, just before you get to 95, you make a right on Van Buren. It's very, very, very close to Quantico. Those are brand new homes. Let's check in. I think I have somewhere an actual video walkthrough of these beautiful homes right there as well. Same builder is also building in Mia's Meadow. If you're looking for something in Dumfries or in Woodbridge, then you should definitely look at this design. Now, the homes are on a smaller lot. They're like a quarter acre, so nothing really big. If you're looking for something with more acreage, then that's not it for you right now. But this is definitely Barron Heights, definitely great community. Haymarket, I believe this is another 55, Carter's Mill. There are, like I said, lots and lots of 55 and older community right now because that's really in demand and builders have the space to build. We are running out of space in the area, so when they have space available, they will try to put more houses, and with the 55 and older, you can squeeze more properties together pretty much. You can fill more properties, or you have the apartment style 55 and older properties as well, which again can fill more space, and the builders can build more to really satisfy what people are currently looking for and what's currently out there. Now, this one is a one-off. This is another community that I want to show you. Virginia Crossing, Four Seasons at Virginia Crossing. This is a 55 and older community in Woodbridge off of Minnieville Road, and this is actually interesting. This is right across from where they're planning the Quartz District, where the Whole Foods is supposed to come and many more retail as well as new homes are supposed to come there. So they currently have at Virginia Crossing, they have those villa style homes, but besides the villa styles, they actually have more of the condominium style with one car garage, apartment buildings with elevator, and of course they also have amenities there. Actually, let me see if we can show you the amenities in here. They do have pool, clubhouse. This again, the villa style. And I'm just going to flip through here to see all main level living. They do have 2 levels, but the upper level is just for guest bedrooms as well as loft area. I am trying to see if I can show you any of the amenities right here. Might not be in this particular listing. Going to be right across from the new Quartz District, where you can literally walk to shopping. Already right now you can walk to shopping from there. This is again the crest at Linton Hall. Here we see more Potomac Shores. This one actually close by to the Barron Heights listings off of Van Buren Road. This is going to be the new 55 and older, the crest at Linton Hall in Bristow. Right across from shopping, you can literally cross the road and you are right there. Now let me show you this. I'm going to show you the rooftop terrace in the townhouses. If you're looking for something rooftop terrace in an affordable price range with townhouses, single family homes of course are going to be much more expensive, but those look really beautiful. And again, these are the model homes. They're always decorated so nice, but you can entertain, and they do have a great view to the golf course. Some of the select homes have a really beautiful view. You see an aerial view right here. You see the golf course, you see the clubhouse, the golf clubhouse, you see the gym, fitness center, really everything state of the art. You see the pool and hiking trails. If you are looking for new construction in Prince William County, reach out to me and we can definitely see if there's something in there that you like. There's also lots of new construction in Stafford County. I'll do a video about that another time. If you're looking for something a little bit less expensive, Stafford County and then Fredericksburg will definitely have those for you. Hilton Homes, one of Woodbridge's biggest builder. Pretty much all of Dale City has been built by Hilton Homes. They are currently building in between Cardinal and Dale Boulevard townhouses. I sold one there recently, and those are some really, really nice townhouses, very well built. Just check it out. Not so sure if I like the black. I would prefer white, but of course you can design it however you want to design it. You can pick and choose all your selections. They do have a great design center with really, really nice selection of options right in Dale City. I want to show you what they are building across from Stonebridge at Potomac Town Center. They are building Neabsco Commons. They are actually building condominiums there. Here we go, Neabsco Commons. They are in the process. The model home is not yet ready, at least from the latest thing that I saw. They are just about this close to have the model home ready, and once that's ready, it's going to be really, really nice. It is in pre-construction right now. Pre-construction pricing is available, and those are some really beautiful condominiums. You can customize those. You can also have condominiums with a rooftop terrace, which is pretty cool, or simply you take the upper, those are 2/2. You take the upper one with a large balcony, optional rooftop terrace. It's pretty cool design. And personally, I can't wait for those homes to be ready so that I can see how the model home and everything looks, because those are almost within walking distance. You pretty much just cross Dale Boulevard and you are right at Stonebridge at Potomac Town Center. If you want something close to everything, close to the VRE, close to shopping and dining, this is a great purchase. And again, they are still within pre-construction. Now, I mentioned earlier Four Seasons at Virginia Crossing. Here are the apartment styles. They are four-level apartments, apartment buildings. There are units on every level, and there are 2 bedrooms. I believe they might also have 3 bedrooms available. Most of them do offer a garage parking. The building does have an elevator, and earlier I was looking for amenities. Here we see the amenities for Virginia Crossings, Four Seasons at Virginia Crossing. Let me see if I can open those and show it to you. Let's see. Here are, I might not see any amenities. Well, this is the clubhouse, and the pool is right behind. I will make sure I link a video of the amenities of the pool and everything, because it's pretty cool. And again, great location. If you have any questions, if you want some more information about specific communities, chances are that I have videos of certain communities on my website. Reach out to me and ask questions. If I do not have a video on there, just ask and I will be sure to record something for you. Happy to help you with all your real estate needs, everything that you're looking for, new construction, resale homes, anything real estate in Prince William County, and further, pretty much anywhere in Northern Virginia, I can help you. Any questions, let me know. Now, which was the community that you liked best? What is it that you would prefer if you are shopping right now? Are you looking at a townhouse community? Are you looking at 55 single family homes? What are you looking for? Reach out with questions. I am happy to help you with anything.